Hey guys, it's me Zayden, and today, I'm sorry about the background noise, but today I'm doing the Charlie Pencil Challenge. And why I'm doing it is because for some reason I deleted Pajamas 1, but I still have Pajamas 2. So in Pajamas 2, I said I would do a birthday vlog and also do my bunny's birthday vlog, but that didn't get to happen for some reason. I don't know, my storage was full and there's just some complications. But to make it up to you guys, I'm going to play the Charlie Pencil Challenge game. And how this works, you have a piece of paper and it says yes, no, yes, no. And then you're going to have two pencils and you're going to face it like that. And then you're going to ask the questions like, Charlie, are you here? Charlie, is my house haunted? Or Charlie, are you in the living room? Or something like that. And then if it points to yes, that means yes. If it points to no, that means no. And then it can really be some creepy, but let's just head right to the game. No more talking. Except when I ask questions. Charlie, are you in my house? It said yes, guys. It said yes. Look. Pointing to yes. Oh my god. Let's put it back. Some people don't balance it, and that's maybe the reason why it doesn't go, but I balanced it and it went right. Okay. Charlie, are you going to haunt me for the rest of my life? Nothing happened. Okay. Charlie, are you in the living room? Where I am? Guys, it said yes. Literally. Said yes. So he's in the living room right now. Okay, that's creepy. Okay, Charlie, are you sitting next to me? Charlie? Charlie, are you sitting next to me? Oh my god. Guys, Charlie is sitting right next to me. One more. This is the last question. The one I'm going to ask him right now. Charlie, are you going to kill me? To be continued.